Hello Ifi Oyoyondoki, and you're welcome back to another episode of Oyoyondoki Kitchen and Lifestyle. So today's recipe is inspired by the one and only Nanaaba's kitchen. So guys, I'm going to leave her link in the description box. Don't forget to click on it to check her out. She's an amazing lady. So this recipe today is so interesting, making egg fried rice. Yes, egg fried rice with a twist. So do stay tuned to find out the twist we are going to add to this amazing recipe. Guys, thank you so much for watching the Oyoyondoki Kitchen and Lifestyle. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Give your girl some thumbs up, guys, and leave us some nice comment. Please refer a friend to Oyoyondoki Kitchen and Lifestyle. Make us a family, and I believe you'll not regret doing so. Thank you guys so much. These are the ingredients we'll be using for our delicious, quick egg fried rice. I'll be leaving the list in the description box. So guys, don't forget to click to find out all the details. Alright, so guys, I'll be chopping my onions and I'm gonna cut them in bits. So now I'm going to cut the carrots. I'll just have to divide into two. Okay, then we'll give it some nice cuts. Alright, so I'm going to be cutting the vegetable. You can see the size I'm using for this quick egg fried rice. So we're gonna cut them into good sizes. Alright, so we are going to cut our spring onions. Alright, I'll be using basmati rice for this recipe. Alright, so our water is already boiling. We are going to add our rice into the pot. I will be cooking with 4 tablespoons of butter, some chicken broth. The rice was completely washed. Then we cover to cook. Alright, so guys, we are ready for our fried rice and my wok is super hot. So we'll be using 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. If you like olive oil or sunflower oil, feel free to use that. And I'll be getting my onions into the pan. You know, Oyoyo likes to saute her onions, so I'll be allowing the onions to saute for at least 2 minutes before we continue. Alright, so our onions is nicely sauteed, and so I'll be adding some sesame oil. You stir nicely, and I'll be adding garlic. Wow, it's already smelling good. So you start to combine. Do remember we are making this recipe at a high heat. And also add some raw cashew nuts. This is raw organic cashew. You stir nicely to combine. And some salt to taste. So you stir nicely. It smells so good here, guys. Alright, so right now we'll be adding some egg. We have 4 eggs here and we'll be adding them, which is the star ingredients for this recipe. And guys, this is Nanaaba's kitchen recipe. So do check Nanaaba's kitchen out as well. So you stir nicely. So basically what we have here, we have some black pepper, we have some shrimp seasoning, we have the cashew nut rock organic cashew, and we have some pearl onions and as well as our white onions. Now I'll be adding some shrimps into the pot as well. So I won't be frying it so long. I just want to allow it to, heat up a little bit. So you don't have to over fry the shrimp. Just allow it to turn pink, and then you're good to go. All right, now our shrimp is pink enough. You now start to combine with the egg and the rest of the ingredients. The carrot in. You stir nicely to combine. So guys, for the secret ingredient for this recipe is this amazing, delicious little fish. So I'm going to crush the herring and we'll get them into the pot. You stir nicely, and do remember the herring that we pounded, so I'm going to be getting it into the pot as well. This is so delicious. The flavor is so amazing, guys. I encourage you to try it. So you can see our food is looking good already, and we'll be getting our rice into the pot. So our rice is boiled. We are going to at this point get it into the pan, and we're going to combine to mix well. It's already smelling so good here, guys. So for garnishing, I'll be adding a twist to Nanaaba's recipe. So some colorful sweet pepper as well. So I want some crunchiness from the sweet pepper. So you stir nicely to combine. All right, so our food is almost done, and here we're going to add our green onions to add some powerful, color and garnishing to the recipe. Guys, I encourage you to try this recipe and also try it with the herrings. It's so delicious. The flavor is so powerful. The aroma from this pot is amazing. So guys, at this point we are done with our cooking, and I tell you, the food tastes so delicious. My daughter is impatiently waiting for me to get off the camera. Thank you for watching our video today, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Make Oyoyo Ndoki your family, and also turn on your notification bell so that when I post a video, you'll be first to receive the notice. Thank you guys. This is absolutely delicious. We can't wait to dive in. If you have watched up to this point, we do appreciate you for watching our video today. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Give us some thumbs up and some nice comments. Ciao, ciao.